Hope everyone is doing great. We are going to be decorating entryway together. If you're watching us for the first time, you're welcome to this channel. Thank you so much for your great support on this channel. Please, after this video, be sure to thumbs up, subscribe if you've not. In my previous video, I showed how my daughter and I get to work. If you want to see the whole process, this is the continuation of the video that we posted previously. If you want to watch how it all started, go and watch the previous video before watching this one. You need to see how my entryway was in the beginning and the stairs, how it was. Thank God that we've gotten to this point. We are going to be decorating my entryway and my stairs. We're going to be decorating it together. I hope I'll be able to motivate some of you, because those of you that are thinking maybe you cannot do it, and I want to tell you that you can do it. You just have to get to work and make up your mind and stop being lazy. You can do it. Guys, I know this is not our usual video. Pardon me, guys. We do not have the time to do a normal video for now because I am extremely busy. If I share this with you guys, anyone that is interested, at least I'm still posting something out there. No one is bothered that, oh, where are they? We've not seen them for ages. We are fine. I just want to share with you guys. Maybe one or two people will be able to, get one or two ideas from what we are sharing. We're going to be back to our normal contents as soon as we're done with everything we're doing. The girls are back from school and I'll see you guys later. This is what this place is looking like. This is the landing and it goes like this. It's just like an L shape. It is just a small place before the stairs. We're going to have the carpet from this place. This place leads to my children's room. So I'm going to be having it from here to here. Then the stairs. The stairs is not yet done. The guy is coming tomorrow to get it fixed. Been asked to take it out before they can come in and fix a new one. Carpet has been like this. I don't just like this one. The rest are okay, but this one is just rubbish. First thing I did was to take the screws out. Immediately I took the screws out, it was very easy to take the wood out. I took it out and then the wood just came off very, very easily. That is what you see me doing. Under this wood, we still got another carpet, which I also need to get rid of. I went ahead and I got rid of it. But at first, I didn't get rid of it. I left it just to keep the children safe, just to protect them so they don't hurt themselves with the nails. The floor is looking so awful. It's just for today. I decided to leave the carpet the way it is until the girls are back in school. So it will be safe for me to take the carpet off. Because if I take the carpet off now, there is going to be a lot of nails. I know the carpet is very awful, but I will just leave it like that to keep the girls safe. My head is eating me hard now. I'm so hungry right now. I've just come to do the measurements. They twisted the whole thing round. When I went to the shop earlier, our agreement was that they will come and measure it today, and then they will come and fix it Friday. Measure it Thursday. Now they've changed the whole thing. The guy that came to do the measurement, he said he's not in charge of the fitting, but he can ring the office to ask if they are still coming tomorrow to fit it. Rang the office on my behalf. They changed everything. They said, oh my God. They said they can't come to fix. They have to wait for another 2 weeks. There is no way I'm going to wait for that long. Are they mad? After they've collected my deposit, that was not our initial agreement. The agreement was that they will come, measure it today, and fit it in tomorrow, which is Friday. Now they've changed everything. I'm sure someone else has taken my space. I'm going in tomorrow to collect the deposit back. The most annoying thing right now is that they've allowed me to remove the carpet that was here. And I just remove it now. If I had known, I wouldn't have removed it. This is so annoying, so insane. It is time for me to be creative again. I'm thinking of something right now. Something is coming to my head right now. I'm going to put it into practicalization. I am not going to give up. One more time. What God cannot do does not exist. Watch me transform this place. It could shock them. This place, as you can see, this is how it is at the moment. Okay. On my half day, I'm going to be changing it. I'm going to be turning things around. This is what the stairs like. Still like this. So still like this. They have disappointed their mother. So right now, I'm in Donnell in search of a good carpet that would be suitable for the stairs. Just looking around. Mind you, I've gone to collect the deposit. The money has been refunded back to me, and I'm going to be using the money to get a carpet, which I'm going to be installing by myself. This time around, I went around the shop. I also went to B&Q to see if I can get a good runner for my stairs and also for the landing. So for the landing, I decided to install the peel and stick carpets, the vinyl on the landing, and then for the stairs is going to be a runner. So here I am just trying to remove all the nails and cleaning the carpet. It was so dusty, guys. I took my time. I swept it very, very well, and I also clean it, because if I don't clean it well, the sticky carpet will not be able to stick well to the floor. So I make sure I remove all the nails. And here I am already tired. I'm just having a very healthy drink which will give me more strength, and this is me cleaning all the carpet. And please don't ask me why I'm using rag to clean it. It's just to get to all the corners, because if I should use my mop, the mop might not be able to do the job at this time. So I took my time, and this is what it is looking like. So this is the carpet I chose for the floor, and it has about 15 in it, and I got about 5 packs. And this is another tools I got from B&Q. It's going to help me to get to every corners, you know, those hidden corners, those contour area is going to help me to get the perfect shape for that corners. And yes, I also got this very sharp blade that is going to help me to cut my carpet, and I also have a scissors with me. So I think those are the tools needed for this job. And here I'm just sticking my tiles to the floor to see how everything is going to look. And once I'm able to stick them to the floor, I'm going to be using my wallpaper roller to get it well flattened to the floor. So the flower pot you can see there contains lots of rocks in it. And once I have stick it to the floor, I just place the flower pot on it just to get it well flattened because of the weight. And even as I go along, I'm going to be sweeping in case there's any dust on the floor, just for the carpet to be able to stick properly to the floor. This is how I use my contour tools. It helped me to get the perfect shape for them corners. Just use my pencil to rule it out, and it gives me the perfect shape for that corner. Yeah, this is how everything turned out. It looks so good so far, and yeah, it turned out really well. I'm so happy about it. Good. Anyways, guys, I'm done. It came out nice, but the corners, God, the corners got me. But I did it. The corners are so... It's late. I'm going to be doing the stairs tomorrow because it's late now. I have to go and have a shower and go to bed. The girls will be in school tomorrow, so I'll be able to do what I need to do. I'm happy with the outcome. It's transformed this place. Anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Catch you later. Good morning. It's another day, and I'm going to be painting the stairs. I have part of the stairs like side by side. I'm not going to be painting the middle because there's going to be a runner that goes straight in the middle. I'm just going to be painting the sides. I'll show you guys what it looks like. This is what it looks like at the moment. I'm going to be painting this side and this side. I've got 12 steps to paint. This is the underlay that I got from B&Q for £29.99. It's quite big. I might not be using as much as this, but I'll just keep the rest. And here I have just painted the stairs side by side, and I chose this color. I don't know. I am expecting the carpet today, expecting a delivery. I'm still waiting for the stairs to be dried. I've done a second coat for the stairs, so I'm waiting for it to get dried. Once it is dried, I will add the installation. I don't think I'll be able to do it today. I think the only thing I can do today is cut the underlay, which I am going to be doing right now. Yeah, I think that's the only thing I can do today, and then I'll wait for the stairs to dry before installation. I'm going to be showing you guys the tools that I bought, the tools that are going to be needed for the stairs. Tucker, we tuck the carpet in. This is a stapler. I hope this works. I don't know how strong this is. Hopefully it works. This is our tape rule. This is a very sharp blade. Cut the carpet tape, and a scissors. This is not the right scissors to use because I'm using my kitchen scissors, but hopefully it does the job. And yeah, my delivery is here and I am going to be getting the carpet. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Woohoo. And this is the carpet I'm going to be using on the stairs. More like a brownish color. I didn't even realize that until now. It's £20 each. I was advised to get about 10 of it. I can always return it back if I have any spares. So let's see if I'm able to finish the whole of it. I don't think I'll be able to finish it. So I got 10 of it for £200. So this is the length of the carpet, and then we've got 10 of it, and we are going to be measuring the width of the carpet and also measure the width of the stairs, and then minus the width of the stairs from the width of the carpet, and then divide it by 2, and this is how we get the measurement of the gap to leave side by side. So this is the carpet. I realized that this place is curvy and we don't need that. I want it to be straight. So I'm first going to cut it. So I'm not cutting everything down. I'm just going to cut it one at a time. Cut it straight. I need a straight line. So I've gone ahead and I've done this one. It is nice and straight now. I'm going to do this one now. I'm going to cut the other bit. So after cutting it, I want it with my lighter. I bump it like this so it doesn't start unraveling. And I'm going to do the other part of it. If you want to do this, make sure you have a very sharp scissors. So before installation, we want to make sure that the stairs is properly clean. And I went ahead and cleaned the stairs, sweep it very well, and also clean it. And here you can see the tape that I put, that is after the measurement. I put those tape there just to make sure that I am getting a straight line, that it doesn't go wonky when I am installing it. This is what I've done so far. Yeah. So these are my tools that I'm using. So I'm still working on it. I'm still in the process. So far, this is what I have done. And I'm going to be showing you guys how I did it. This is the end. I am trying to trim this end. This is where the carpet ends. And I'm going to be attaching another one. This from here down. So right now I'm trying to trim these ends and burn it. I think I overburnt this place. You have to be careful when burning it because I just want to burn it so that the carpet will not start unraveling. Gently burn this area. I'm still going to trim it a little bit. I'll show you guys how. Don't mind my cup of tea there. So I'm just having a cup of tea, and this is my underlay. These are all my tools that I'm using. Okay, so far this is what we have done. I'm loving it already. It's very, very comfy. It's really comfy. I love it. I love how it turned out already. I'm trying to get this area done because it's not smooth. I'll smoothen it and then I'll join another carpet and then I'll continue from there. So here you can see the way I positioned my carpet tape just so that it holds the underlay and the stairs together. And I am going to cut another piece of carpet tape and just attach that to the middle as well, and do the same at the other side of it so that it holds the stairs and the underlay together, so that it doesn't move at all. What I did now is to position my carpet in the right position and make sure that it looks very, very seamless. I'm just going to take my time when doing this. I am going to position it really, really well because we don't want it to look like it is being cut or anything. And I just take my time, and my carpet tucker is going to help me here to position everything very, very well. Once that is done, I just remove the first layer of the carpet tape so that it sticks properly to the carpet, and once it is being removed, that is it. It sticks to the carpet very, very well, and like I said, it's really strong. Okay, so this is where I'm going to be needing my stapler, but unfortunately the stapler did not work, and yeah, I disturbed my neighbor a lot with the noise, guys. Oh my god, this is not a good idea. Please don't use your hammer for this, guys. Do not use, but I took permission from my neighbor. Actually, I took permission from them. I said, please, I'm going to be making a lot of noise, please bear with me. And they really understood. They can, in fact, he actually lent me his own stapler as well, which didn't work as well. So I told him not to bother, that he should just bear with me. I'm going to be a little bit noisy. He knows that I don't usually do this kind of thing. He knows very well, and he knows it's not a regular thing. So he can understand every bit of it, and I just want to appreciate them for being patient with me. Guys, like I said, please, if you want to do it, get a good stapler or a good nail gun or something like that you can use without much noise, because it was really noisy using this hammer. Oh my god. So guys, I'll just continue like that. And yeah, it's really easy, guys. There is nothing difficult about this. As long as you get the right tools, everything will come out really nicely. And as you can see me using my carpet stalker to tuck everything in very well. And yes, when using your nail, you have to make sure that it is well tucked in, and then that the nail is well positioned, like under the stairs, just like I'm doing. Position it very well. When you get to every inch of it, make sure you nail it down so that it will come out really nicely. And guys, I saved lots of money, guys. I saved lots of money. I called someone to help me install this carpet, and I was charged about £400 just for the runner. But yes, I ended up spending really less. I only used 5 carpets for this job, guys, and it's about £100. And then yeah, everything turned out really nicely. And apart from that, I was able to save lots of money, guys. Guys, if you can do it by yourself and you've got the right tools, just go ahead and do it. And this is the end result. This is how everything turned out. And guess what, guys? I only used 5 runners, which is about £100, because I got one runner for £20 each. And yes, I'm going to be returning the rest of the 5 runners, and then I'll get my £100 back, because I got 10 runners altogether. I still got 2 more steps to go. What I've got left, guys. Ooh. I've got how many left? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gosh, I've got 6 left, and I need just 1 more, right? So I'm going to be returning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One of this is £20. So if I return 5 of it, I'm going to be getting £100 back. Guys, I saved a lot of money. I only spent £100 for this carpet. Look at that. So this is 5, just 5. I used 5 of it, which is £100 in total. Look at that, guys. I got 10 altogether. So I'm returning 5 of it. I only need 1 more for this. Just 1, 2 left, and I'll be done. I need to return this 5. I'll get a refund of £100 back. Man, ooh, I don't like wasting money. Who like to waste money? So I only bought a carpet for £100, £20 each. Guys, guys, look at that. I did it. Yes, I did it. I did it. The important thing is that I'm able to save. As I decorate, I'm able to save. The guy disappointed me for my own good. At times, when you get disappointment, it's for your own good. Look at me, guys. I'm not even able to take care of myself all this while. This took me about 1 month to finish this all way, and it's worth it. I am happy. I'm loving what I'm seeing already. Guys, let's continue in this video, because we're not done yet. Come on, guys. Join me.